Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel and community. If you've been searching for an affordable way to live, then you're in luck. Today, we're going to show you an incredible opportunity to rent apartments for just $200 per month, right in your neighborhood. Yes, you heard that right. So, if you're ready to make the most of your budget without compromising on comfort, keep watching. Let's get started. One great way to start your search is by exploring online rental websites, which often have filters to show apartments within your desired price range. You might be wondering, what do I get in a $200 apartment? Well, surprisingly, quite a lot. Many of these apartments are well maintained and offer essential amenities like laundry facilities, parking spaces, and community areas. While they might not be the most luxurious options, they provide a cozy and comfortable living space that can cater to your needs. Depending on your city, you can find these budget-friendly rentals in decent neighborhoods with access to public transportation, schools, and other essential services. To find good apartments for rent near me, you have to explore rental websites like Zillow, Apartments.com, or Rent.com. Filter your search based on your preferences for location, price range, amenities, and other criteria. Additionally, consider driving around the area or contacting local real estate agencies for more options. In today's world, a perfect living apartment or housing means a combination of affordability, comfort, and functionality. And you will get all these $200 apartments for rent near me. Remember, affordable living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or safety. With a bit of research and preparation, you can discover your dream apartment without straining your wallet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be searching for affordable housing. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.